I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Xbox Live Service status and your network connection so you're not chasing false errors. Next, sign in at account. Microsoft. Com to validate your email, password, and two-step verification settings. This fixes most auth issues. If prompted, use the account recovery form with your console ID and any recent purchase data because that proves ownership. Once done, make sure alternate contact info is current. It speeds recovery and prevents repeated lockouts. Now you run account recovery and tighten security. Follow the recovery flow and supply exact console ID, order dates, and any recovery codes to assert ownership. Then reset to a strong, unique password and reconfigure two-step verification. This stops unauthorized access. After that, check recent sign-ins and immediately remove suspicious devices and revoke third-party app permissions. This prevents persistent sessions from reintroducing the problem. Make sure recovery options are reachable, or repeat the recovery with clearer proof if needed. Finally, reconcile the console to your now secure account. Remove the profile, clear the local cache by power cycling or alternate methods, and then re-add your account so fresh tokens are issued. Once re-added, use settings to restore licenses and perform a test sign-in to Xbox Live. This resolves entitlement and multiplayer issues. If you still can't access services, contact Microsoft support and provide your account recovery case ID for escalation. Quick tip: if sign-in loops, try a different network to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.